Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, Rifki here, and today in this video we are going to discuss about the structure, the basic structure of HTML. Alright, so to create a valid HTML document, we need to write some text to construct the basic structure of the HTML document. Okay, now let me show you how to make the HTML structure. So firstly, let's make the HTML file. Let's save it first. Oops. Let me change the time. Okay. Uh, there are there's two ways to create HTML structure. First is the first one, so you just type the HTML and then enter. Wait, my bad. Type exclamation mark and then enter. Okay, now it will auto create the HTML structure. Okay, uh, now let me explain the text one by one. Let me erase it because we will not discuss it in this video. Okay, now uh, first is the doc type HTML. Uh, all HTML documents must begin with this tag, with this declaration to be considered a valid page on and comply with W3C or World Wide Web, and I forgot rules. So it uh, well, anyway, this is not an HTML tag, but this is an information for the browser to determine the type of the document and the HTML version to use so that the browser can properly code the HTML document. So this tag is not case sensitive, so you can type this in lowercase or in uppercase. But generally, people write this in uppercase, except for the HTML. Alright, next is the HTML tag. The HTML tag is the root of the HTML document. The tag that becomes a container or wrapper for text and other HTML elements, except the doc type HTML right here. Uh, I advise that to always include the length attribute in your HTML tag, because this is used to tell the browsers and search engines that the language used on your websites good for SEO, So our page will be more easily understood by search engines. Okay. Oh, yeah, anyway, the HTML tag must be closed with the closing tag. Alright, next. Next is the head head tags. Head tag. Head tag is a tag that wraps the information of our metadata that is intended for engines, includes search engines, not for humans. Oh yeah, the metadata we erased earlier. Uh, okay, so this the metadata. Metadata. Uh, this is used for search engines. Well, uh, except for the title, this is for the title of your websites. Oh yeah. Anyway, inside the head tag, we can also insert an CSS and JavaScript. Yeah, for example, to use CSS inside here, we can use style tag, and for the JavaScript, you can use script tag. Okay, to the style tag, you can put your CSS style here, and for your JavaScript scripts, you can write it here. So let's remove it. Oh, anyway, the thing that we write inside the head tag, it will not appear in our website. Okay, next, lastly is the body tag. The body tag defines the body of the HTML document, so everything that will be displayed on the browser page is written in this tag. Okay, for example, let's write something. Hello. Okay, now let's open it in our browser. In our browser, okay, hello. As you can see here, the thing that inside the head, it's not appear in our page. Alright, I think that's all for the HTML basic structure. Next, we are going to discuss about uh, formats, the text in HTML. Okay, bye. See you soon.